In this video, I will be showing you how to create yard signs in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva homepage and head straight to the search bar to type in yard signs. Once the results load, I can browse through the various templates until I find one that fits the vibe I'm going for. I'll select this vintage wedding reception sign and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. First, I'm going to select the decorative border and delete it to give myself a cleaner canvas to work with. Now, I'll double-click the top text box and change the names to Kiara's. Next, I'll update the main heading from wedding to birthday. I want a bolder look for the name, so I'll go into the font menu and scroll through the options until I find Babas Noe. I'll scale that up to make it stand out, center it on the page, and move the other text down to make room. Now, I'm heading over to the Elements tab to find a new directional graphic. I'll type this way into the search bar to see what's available. While I browse, I'll delete the original arrow from the template. I really like this pointing hand graphic, so I'll add that to my design. To make it blend in better, I'll go into the color settings and change the hand to a softer pinkish tone. To add a personal touch, I'll search for a birthday girl illustration in the Elements tab. I'm looking for something that fits the aesthetic, and this graphic of a girl holding flowers is perfect. I'll place her in the bottom right corner and resize her so she anchors the design. Now, let's add some text effects to make the words pop. I'll select the birthday reception text, click on Effects, and choose the outline option. I'll pick a darker pink for the outline color and adjust the thickness until it looks just right. I'll repeat this same process for the name at the top to keep everything consistent. Finally, I'll search for some birthday confetti to fill in the empty spaces. I'll add a few different clusters around the design, rotating them and using the Position tool to layer them behind my other elements. This adds some nice depth and energy to the sign. I'll do a few final tweaks to the placement of the girl and the text to ensure everything is balanced. Now, my custom yard sign is ready to print and display. Thanks for watching,